2010 Range Rover LS Sport, supercharged one. The timing chain marks I'm gonna show you right now. There is a one tool. It's locking the crankshaft from the behind there, and the marks. What I'm gonna show you on the right side hand. One marks it's top for here. Another one it's here. The third mark it's coming up here, right up here to the this small dots in here. This one is the left side, and for right side right here, this one is intake and this one is exhaust. Let me show you this one also. Right here the mark, where is the mark, and it's all the way down here. There is the third mark for the crank, and also this is the important one. This is the fuel pump adjustment. Actually, the fuel pump inside there is a like this kind of level over there. It's aligned with this screw to that screw. It's aligned like this way, and also you need this tool to lock eccentrics for both sides right up here. This is the tool. We do have two of them. One is up there, the other one is right here. You can see it. It's how you timing for the 2010 Land Rover supercharged one.